Okay. Uh, Good evening. Welcome. Uh, name is George. I'll be walking us through how to create a free Google Cloud Platform uh, account using your Gmail. Most learners have been complaining about not being able to understand how to go about doing this. So I'll be sharing that with us today. Okay, first of all, the address you should be going to is cloud.google.com /free /. With that, you should find yourself here. Um, 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 this offer involves always free products and $300 credits. So I would quickly look at some details for these options that are here. Okay, so for the free tier, you have 12 months and $300 free trial, billing verification, end of the free trial, upgrading to paid account. So a couple of things that are very important that we look at and take note of before we sign up for the free account. Okay, so Google Cloud free tier has two parts: a 12-month free trial with $300 credits to use any Google Cloud services, and always free, um, which provides limited access to many common Google Cloud resources free of charge. Okay, so we'll use this article to quickly go through what this entails. So for the 12-month and $300 free trial, you have program eligibility. Here you see the requirements that you need to have to be able to be eligible for this free trial. Okay, first it says you have never been a paying customer of Google Cloud. You have never been a paying customer of Google Maps platform or Firebase. If you have been a paying customer of either of these services, you need to contact support. You have not previously signed up for a free trial. You have enabled billing for your account through the Google Cloud Console. You aren't setting up a business account with a term sheet by working with a sales representative. If you need to set up a business account, contact support. Okay, so that's basically for that. And of course, it lasts 12 months and $300. Of course, you should know that the $300 could be spent up before the 12 months, and if that happens, you need to upgrade your account. Okay, so billing verification, Google will ask you for um, your credit card information. That's to be used for verifying your identity and to distinguish actual customers from robots. Okay, there's one other point here. There's another point here. And then, of course, the charge is between $0 and $1. Okay, so once you get to authorize that transaction on your account, that confirms you're the owner of that account, and that also confirms that you're human. Okay, this is end of free trial. Let's see how this could happen. The free trial ends when you use all your credits for all of your credit, or after 12 months, whichever happens first. That's if you get use all your $300 credit, then that ends for you. The free trial ends. Or if you stay on the platform for 12 months and beyond that, maybe by a day or thereabout, and you still have free credits, the free trial is gone because you have actually used up 12 months and you are no more eligible for that. Okay, at the expiration of the free trial, you need to upgrade to a paid account to continue using Google Cloud. All resources you created during the trial are stopped. Any data you stored in Compute Engine is lost. Your account enters a 30-day grace period during which you can recover resources and data you stored in any Google Cloud services during the trial period. You might receive a message stating that your account has been canceled, which only indicates that your account has been suspended to prevent charges. Okay, so upgrading to a paid account, it's fairly easy. Let's say if you upgrade to a paid account to use Google after the free trials, you take advantage of the following features. You can now use GPUs. If you upgrade before the trial ends, of course, when you upgrade, the following conditions apply. Any remaining unexpired free trial credits remains in your account. Your credit card on file is charged for resources you use in excess of what's covered by any remaining credit. Basically, what that means is if you upgrade before the trial ends, you still have to you get to keep your free credits and use them. But if you, after the upgrade, if you peradventure use resources that go beyond your free trial limits, then you'll be charged for that. Other than that, your credits will still apply. So that's pretty good advantage to be able to, if you upgrade before the free trial is over. So always free resources include, of course, to be eligible for always free. Always free isn't a special program. It's a regular part of the Google Cloud content. So to be eligible, you do not have to, you do not have a custom contract or rate card with Google. You have an upgraded billing account. An upgraded account is ready to be charged for use as opposed to a free trial only account. The account is in good standing, that you don't have any debts you have not redeemed or covered. Okay, so always free user limits. Of course, for App Engine, this is what you'll be eligible for. So take your time, go through. You click from here and you get to this point, and then you look through the documentation. Okay, so that's that for that. Okay, so again, let's look at available payment methods. I think that's part of what we should look at today. So, okay, the available payment methods include the credit card, debit card, or bank account as a primary method. I said you can also set up a backup credit card or card as a safety net. Okay, that's a lot of documentation, but basically these are the three things you can use to set up banking, set up your billing for your free trial account. So, okay, so with that, let's quickly go to how this actually will be done. Okay, get started for free. We'll click on that. I already have a Gmail account associated with the program, so I would use one of my unassociated Gmail accounts and show you how easy it is to set this up. Okay, so I already have this account associated with G-Cloud. So I won't be using that. I'll use another account. Okay. All right. So I would use one of my accounts, family. Okay. So being it's a Gmail account, I don't need to put the @Gmail. I just hit enter and it goes. So I'll pause the video here so I can put my passwords, and after that we will continue recording. Okay, so we're back. I've entered my password, so click on next. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, it's gonna take a few minutes, and all right, so we're logged in. All right, so you're signed in as Family This. If you like, take a few moments to help Google work better for you. Add a home address, add or confirm your recovery email or phone number. Okay, so not now because I won't be using this account for G Cloud. Already have one. Okay, so so a few moments, get this done. Okay. Sorry about the background noise, if you can hear that. Okay, so that's where we are. Okay, step 1 of 2. So one more step remains. You agree to the terms. If you like to receive email updates on news and products, I would suggest you do select that because it makes it possible for you to get the latest news on G Cloud. Okay, all right. Okay, so you select this, you must select to continue. This is optional, but I advise you, I would suggest you also select that one. So these are the things that you are eligible to or eligible for under the free tier. Okay, so you click continue. So, okay, before now, you should have your bank details ready. So one other thing you need to take note, some countries, you might not be able to use a debit card. Others you can. In my own country, Nigeria, I think that option for my own bank, that option was removed. So I can use my debit card, but I can use my credit card to do that. So you check which options are available to you in your own country. Okay, so here I said put in a business name, type, account type, say business, individual. It's not a business, so it's an individual account. So change that one. Name, of course, you see once it changes this to name. It's no more a business account. You put your address up to here, city, and the rest of them. So, and at the bottom it says credit card or debit card address is the same as above. That's for the card details. Okay, so let me quickly just put some stuff here. 10 Magu Streets. That doesn't really exist. So just for, okay, address, if your address is longer than mine, suburb, if you're putting that, suburb, I think mine should be Muchichi. Okay, and the city should be Abar in Nigeria. My postal code should be 450-272. 450-272. States should be Abia. Phone number is optional. You can put that if you want. You should actually do that, but in this case, I won't bother. So you pay for this service only after you accrue costs via an automatic charge when you reach your billing threshold or 30 days after your last automatic payment, whichever comes first. All right, so card details. Let's click there and then it starts asking you for information for your card. So you put in the card number and then of course the expiration date and then the CVC number and the name on the card and then you click start free trial. So basically that's just about it. And of course, like I said, you have different payment options. We have credit card, debit cards, or bank accounts. Usually this takes about 3 days for confirmation to go through after you supply your card details or your banking details. But these ones are quicker, instantaneous, but this other one takes 3 days, but this is instantaneous. Okay, so basically that's just the a brief on how to get hooked up with the GCP and make use of the free tier that's available. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, if you found this video useful, kindly click on your like button, subscribe to my channels as I'll keep updating and providing more help to videos on how to go about maximizing the offerings that are available on GCP platform. Thank you.